Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll guide you through the simple and quick process of setting up your Orbi Wi-Fi 6 system. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a beginner, follow along as we ensure your home is connected with the latest in Wi-Fi technology. Let's get started. Begin by carefully unboxing your Orbi Wi-Fi 6 system. Inside the box, you'll discover the Orbi router, one or more satellites, power adapters, Ethernet cables, and a quick start guide to assist you. Next, connect the Orbi router to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait for the LED on the top of the router to pulse white, indicating that it's ready for setup. Next, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Orbi app. This essential app will guide you step by step through the entire setup process. Open the Orbi app and follow the on-screen prompts to either create a new account or sign in with your existing credentials. The Orbi app will guide you through the setup process, including naming your Wi-Fi network, creating a password, and connecting your devices. Make sure to follow each step carefully. Once your router is set up, it's time to sync the satellites. The Orbi app will prompt you to press the sync button on each satellite. Wait for the LED to turn blue, indicating a successful connection. After setup, run a speed test using the Orbi app to ensure your network is running smoothly. You can also adjust the placement of your satellites if needed to optimize coverage. If you have any questions or need help, our expert team is ready to assist you. Reach out to them at 323-471-3045 for support. Comment below if you have any queries. And that's it. Your Orbi Wi-Fi 6 system is now set up and ready to provide you with fast, reliable internet throughout your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.